Today we are whipping up a quick and delicious stir-fried chicken with vegetables. A perfect weeknight meal that's both healthy and satisfying. In a mixing bowl, add the sliced chicken pieces. To it, add corn flour, paprika, salt, and pepper. Now mix well to coat evenly. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. While the chicken marinates, let's get the vegetables ready. Slice one red onion, a carrot, some cabbage, red capsicum, and green capsicum. You can swap in other vegetables like zucchini, baby corn, or mushrooms based on your preference or what's in season. Chop up a green and a red chili and the white part of a few spring onions. Mince a couple of garlic cloves and finely chop some spring onion greens for later. Now heat some oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken pieces. I'm using chicken breast here, so be sure to cook it carefully to keep it juicy. This recipe works well with thinly sliced beef, shrimp, or tofu as well. Cook them until they are golden brown and set aside. In a pan, heat a little oil. Saute the minced garlic, chopped chilies, and spring onion whites followed by the sliced onion. Now toss in the prepared vegetables along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender crisp. Next, add a tablespoon of chili sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Give it all a good mix. In a small bowl, create a corn slurry by mixing corn flour with water, then add it to the pan to thicken the sauce. Now add in the cooked chicken pieces and mix well. Garnish with chopped spring onion greens. Serve this colorful stir fry hot over steamed rice or noodles. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious dishes.